Hi, I'm Luke, and I'm here to give you a great tip on fondant for your next baking project to give it a nice clean and glossy shine. When working with fondant, it's best to liberally coat your work surface and rolling pin with corn flour or icing sugar. This helps prevent sticking. The problem with that is sometimes then when you apply it to the cake, it can then often leave a little bit of a dust residue. So the best way to fix that and to hide any other imperfections is really to just use a garment steamer, something that most of us should already have at home. When applying fondant to the cake as well, a nice and easy way to transfer it across, just in case it's a bit hot or the fondant's a bit sticky or if it starts to sag, is just to roll it over the rolling pin you've already used. Because then you can just rotate your rolling pin and lay your fondant over the top. Now this is just a little tool to help flatten out the surfaces as well, because the one thing you don't want is too many moist fingerprints on the cake, just to give it a nice professional look. And we can just trim off the excess. And lift it off. So to help use the garment steamer for the fondant, all you need to do is just lightly steam the surface, rotate the cake as you go, and this helps hide all those little imperfections and to give it a clean and glossy shine. Just remember to test this effect first, because too much steam can then have a negative effect. It also helps just to hide all those little fingerprints, and if there's any little marks that you're worried about, you can then just touch up with your fingers after. Because once you've applied the steam, it can then be nice and hot. But make sure when working with steam, you've got to be careful not to burn yourself. So just be careful of the heat, and always make sure you've got adult supervision when working with kids. There we go. Now why not give this a try on your next baking project?